Our first time trying it,
it's
and my
gonna
first
be-
time cooking it.
And guess what? Oh, you know video?
Yes.
First time is gonna be the best time, baby.
Thank you.
Your first time is gonna be the best time, baby.
Yes. Our first time trying this. And I hope it comes out really good.
And it will.
Thank you.
'Cause your hands is on it.
All
Good
right.
God. Yes.
So this is the finished product. I'm going to let it simmer a little bit, and then we're going to have it with some chicken.
That's right, baby.
All right.
That's
It looks
right.
good. And
It
we
is?
tasted it. It tastes good also. It's
Very
not
good,
bad.
sweetheart. Very
It kind of
good.
reminds you of collard greens, but not collard greens.
Caramel.
So, Callaloo. Callaloo. I think it's Callaloo.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace out.
Peace, baby.